What I'd like to cover in this video is Komodo Team features. So when you purchase a team plan, in here we have these settings. And here we have a selection for team members. Here is my team. This is just a test account. I have up to 19 people. I can invite them, obviously clicking that button, entering their emails. Once they get an email, they'll get an invite to join the team, and once they accept, you'll see them show up here. So you'll see active states and you'll see pending members as you build this out. So that means once they're active, that means that the team is onboarded. And the way that we collaborate with teams is using these folders here. And so folders let us organize information. So think of folders like, depending on how you organize your like categories. Some people put this into, let's say, clients. A folder could be a client name. Some companies do it by organizing it by department function, so something like finance, design, and so on. So whatever works in your situation. But let's say I open up this video calls folder, and you can move things in here. You can move videos and guides in here and build these out. When we click on share folder, here we can invite people to access this folder, or we can just share it with the whole team right here. Share it with team. And then if I had more members here, I could just click a button that would be here called bulk add, which will add everybody on the team. I just only have 2 people. Also worth noting that people that you invite can have view access or they can have edit access. Edit access means that they can actually add things to this folder. So you can truly collaborate with a group and build these out. That's the simple functionality of Teams.